In this video, I'll show you how to update an entity using AgentBrains in N8N, quickly and easily. If you're working inside N8N and want to change an existing entity, this simple workflow will help you do it, in just a few steps. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials like this. Let's get started first. From the Nodes panel on the right side of your N8N canvas, find and choose AgentBrains. This is the node you'll use to handle the entity update action. Once you click it, add it to your workflow so you can begin configuring it. After that, open the node settings and select Update an Entity. This tells AgentBrains that you want to modify an existing record instead of creating a new one. Now you'll need to configure what you want to update. Fill in the required fields based on the entity you're working with and make sure the values match the changes you want to apply. If there are specific parameters, enter them carefully so the update happens correctly. Take a moment to review everything before running the node. Double-check the entity details, the fields you selected, and the values you entered to make sure the update is exactly what you need. Once everything looks right, save your workflow and execute the node. N8N will then use AgentBrains to update the entity with the information you configured. And that's it. You've now learned how to update an entity using AgentBrains in N8N. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple automation walkthroughs.